Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change app language on money.com. Maybe you are more comfortable in a different language or just want to explore the app in a new language. So today I'm going to show you how to change app language on money.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, locate the option Language and simply tap on it. After that, you will now be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll to the list and choose the language that you want. For example, I want to use Espanol, so simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully changed the app language on monday.com. From now on, the app will be displayed in your chosen language, making your experience even more personalized. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change app language on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change app language on monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.